Ayan, papasyal ko kayo sa aking farm. Yan yung alaga ko, naka mint green. Ayan, ikot-ikot tayo. Ayan, ikot na sila. Ayan ko saan sila pupunta. Saan ba yun? Ayan. Ayan, punta tayo sa kasukalan. Papasyal ko kayo sa kasukalan. Ayan. Ingat-ingat sa mga mata. Baka masundot ng dates tree. Ito nakakain to pero hindi ko alam po anong prutas to. You try this one? So eat it? Hamud, what's the name of this fruit? What's the name of this fruit?
Manga.
It's not manga. It's not. It's different.
Karak.
Karak? Tastes good? What it tastes like?
I don't know. I never tried it. It's like lemon fruit.
It's not a lemon. It's fine.
Very nice.
It's fine. I saw Abuya eat this one. Even Omni. It tastes like
Apple.
same like apple but tastes like a guava.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that fruit. Eat them. Eat.
It's nice.
Very nice. No? Yeah, very nice. If you eat it, I don't care if you said it's not good. Good? Yeah.
Not this one. This one is ripe. The one that ripe, Hamudi. This one is not ripe.
There's a worm. There's worms inside there. There's worm inside there.
Nabash.